Welcome to Auto Insider. The DTC P1604 typically stands for /startability malfunction /. This code means the engine control module ECM detected that the engine had difficulty starting or failed to start properly under certain conditions. Left-pointing magnifying glass common causes of P1604 on Toyota vehicles. 1. Weak or failing battery. Low voltage can cause the ECM to struggle during cranking. 2. Failing starter motor. A slow or inconsistent crank speed can trigger this code. 3. Fuel delivery issues. Clogged fuel filter, failing fuel pump, or bad fuel injectors. 4. Ignition system problems. Worn spark plugs, bad ignition coils, or timing issues. 5. Dirty or faulty MAF sensor. Incorrect air measurement can cause poor starting. 6. Cold weather starting issues. Especially common in winter if the battery or fuel system is marginal. 7. ECM software glitch or outdated firmware. Some vehicles may require a reflash or update. Hammer and wrench how to fix P1604. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Check battery health. Test battery voltage should be around 12.6 V off. 13.7 14.7 V when running. Replace if weak or old, over 3 to 5 years. 2. Inspect the starter motor. Listen for slow cranking or clicking. Replace starter if it's sluggish or intermittently failing. Check fuel pressure, replace clogged filters or a weak pump. 4. Inspect spark plugs and ignition coils, replace old spark plugs. Often every 60k 100k miles. Test and replace any failing coils. 5. Scan for additional codes. P1604 often comes with other codes, e.g. P1603, P1605. Diagnose and fix underlying issues first. 6. Clean the MAF sensor. Use MAF sensor cleaner spray. Some vehicles may need a firmware update. Toyota dealerships can reflash the ECM if new, white heavy checkmark. Additional tips. Clear the code after making repairs and monitor for reoccurrence. 7. Check ECM and software.